Hi everyone, my name is Jennifer Ganicos and this is my topic today, measure of squid. What is a measure of squidness? Squidness is a measure of the asymmetry of the probability distribution in a perfectly symmetrical distribution like the normal distribution Bill curve. The left and right side are mirror image. The mean, median, and mode are all equal. A skew distribution, by contrast, is the distorted or asymmetrical shape due to a concentration of data points on one side. The long tapering end of the distribution indicates the direction of the skew. Measure of skewness provide a quantitative quantitative way to describe this asymmetry and are used in descriptive after statistic and to determine if a variable is a normal distribute. This this is Skewness is a measure of a probability distribution or dataset. It indicates the extent to which the data deviate from symmetric distribution, such as the normal distribution. Skewness is an important concept and probability in statistics, as it helps characterize the shape and properties of distribution. Next. Person-first coefficient of skewness, also known as a person-mutual skewness. This method is more robust for dataset with a weak or ill-defined mode. Formula skewness: 3 mean mutual standard deviation. The fraction with the numerator 3 of a parent, cap minus cap mutual close parent, and a denominator of cap standard space cap division and fraction. 3 means mutual standard deviation. Interpretation: positive value indicated as a positive right skew. What is a positive value? Positive value, the tail of the distribution is along the right side. The majority of the data is concentrated on the left, and a few larger values pull the mean toward the right, so the mean is greater than the median. Next, the negative values indicated a negative left skew. The value indicates how many standard deviation the mean and median are separated. The tail of the distribution is longer on the left side. The bulk of the data is on the right, and a few smaller value pull the mean toward the left. So the mean is less than the median. Next is this is the measure of skewness. So this is a measure of skewness. So makita nyo sa sa baba, sa gilid. Ito yung main. So this is the measure of skewness. So ang mode ito, meaning itong mode is the value that appears most frequently in a dataset. Dataset in a distribution graph, the mode is the highest point on the curve. This is the median. Ito yung sa baba, yung median. Ayan. The median, the middle value of a dataset that has been arranged in numerical order. It divided the data into two equal halves, meaning 50% of the values are above it and 50% are below it. So this is the mean. Ito yung mean sa left side. Mean the average of a data set. It is calculated by summing all the values and dividing by the total number of values. The mean is sensitive to extreme values of outliers and is a pull in their direction. So mo nito ang mean, median, mode, and rin side is a negative direction. So mo nito mean symmetrical data, mean, median, mode. Then sa to right side is mo yung mood. Sa baba median is yung is mean. Mode, median, mean is positive direction. Next is this method quantifies skew is based on the relationship between the mean, median, or mode and standard deviation using the mode. Skewness mean mode, standard deviation. Skewness equal the fraction with the numerator means minus mode and denominator standard deviation and fraction. Skewness mean mode standard deviation. This formula is useful when the data is a single. Clearly define mode using the median. Skewness is 3 mean and median standard deviation. Skewness equal the fraction with the numeration 3 open parent, mean minus median close parent, and denominator standard deviation, and fraction skewness 3 mean and median standard deviation. This is often a more reliable visual when data as weak mode or multiple modes. So this is the future symmetrical zero skewness, positively skewed, right skewed, negative and negatively skewed, the left skewed. A shape perfectly balanced with the mirror image sides, as along the tail extending to the right, as along the tail extending to the left. Center detenting. Mean and median mode. Mean, median mode. The mean is pulled to the right by high value outliers. Mean, median mode. The mean is pulled to the left by low value outliers. Typical data. Higher height of adult means in count distribution where most people earn a lower to middle income and a few outliers earn very high income. They score on very easy exam and where most students score high and only a few score very low. So this is the skewness is a measure of the asymmetry or distribution. A distribution is asymmetrical when it is left and right side are not mirror image. A distribution can have right or positive, left or negative, or zero skewness. The right skew distribution is longer on the right side of its peak, and the left skew distribution is longer on the left side of its peak. Bueno yan. Hindi na makita siya, guys. So next so I think this is my report today. I hope na mo na balance choice. So thank you, and that's my report today.